is buying a replacement nozzle system like Tubanu for old caulk tubes is often worth it when the goal is to extend usable sealant and cut waste. A replacement nozzle lets you remove cured or blocked tips and install a fresh atomized outlet that fits most standard tube ends, which can restore flow without wasting half a cartridge. First, inspect the tube body for flexibility. If it still compresses and the sealant moves under gentle pressure, the material inside is likely fine. So replace the tip and continue. Clean the tube lip and remove any crusted residue with a small utility knife or sharp scissors to ensure a tight seal between tube and nozzle. When installing the new nozzle, push it firmly until you feel it seat and then pierce the internal foil or membrane with a long nail or the provided puncture tool to avoid pushing cured material into the nozzle. Store partially used tubes upright with the nozzle attached and capped, or use a temporary cap like a clean screw cap or a mismatched plastic bottle top to prevent skinning. If you plan to pause for days, refrigerate solvent-based sealants only if the manufacturer allows. Most water-based products tolerate cold storage better. Common mistakes start with assuming any nozzle will solve a dried tip problem. If the tube body itself is rigid and hollow, no nozzle will restore interior product, so discard that tube. Another mistake is failing to fully pierce the internal seal before forcing the nozzle. That yields intermittent flow and clogs, so always puncture cleanly and probe to confirm the channel is open. People often forget to keep the nozzle capped between sessions, which leads to skinning and waste. Use a snug cap or wrap the tip in cling film and secure with tape to maintain freshness. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for jobs that might follow from sealant work and renovation decisions, and we connect contractors with homeowners looking for services. We also run an active discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips on products like nozzle replacements, storage tactics, and practical maintenance advice.